In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide song from your Spotify Wrapped. You can simply hide song from your top songs of the year in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Spotify. On this page, tap on Wrapped just right here. Then select your top songs. On this page, scroll down onto your top songs list. Tap on and more right here. You will see the list of all your top played songs throughout the whole year. Select any song you would wish to hide or remove from this list. Let's say this song right here. Just click on these 3 lines and then select Hide Song. It won't be visible to public and also removed if featured on your Wrapped as well. That's how easy it is to hide songs on your Spotify top songs of the year. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.